You may be accustomed to using large flip-top plastic containers to dispose of regulated medical waste. However, some units on campus will be asked to use corrugated boxes with liners for collecting medical waste. These containers will make it easier to properly dispose, collect, and manage non-Sharps regulated medical waste. These are not Sharps containers. They are only for managing non-Sharps regulated medical waste. Before we continue, let's remember some key points about Sharps and regulated medical waste. Most importantly, do not put Sharps in your medical waste container. Only dispose of Sharps in an approved puncture-resistant Sharps container. Examples of Sharps include all hypodermic needles and syringes, intravenous needles and tubing, scalpel blades, and lancets. It doesn't matter if a Sharp is used or unused. All Sharps must be disposed of in a Sharps container. If you have broken glass, it can be placed in a broken glass disposal box. However, broken glassware that has been in contact with a human infectious agent must be placed into a Sharps container. Let's talk regulated medical waste. Some things may seem like regulated medical waste, but they are not, unless they are visibly contaminated by blood. This includes saliva, sweat, and urine. The Alabama Department of Environmental Management defines medical waste as a solid waste or combination of solid wastes which, because of its infectious characteristics, may either cause or significantly contribute to an increase in mortality or an increase in serious, irreversible, or incapacitating reversible illness, or pose a substantial present hazard or potential hazard to human health or the environment when improperly treated, stored, transported, disposed, or otherwise managed. A simpler definition for medical waste is any solid or liquid which may pose a threat of infection to humans. Let's recap. Non-Sharps medical waste goes into your medical waste container. Sharps go into your puncture-resistant Sharps container. Broken glass goes in the broken glass container unless it has been exposed to human disease agents. Then it goes into your Sharps container. All medical waste, including Sharps, must include an Auburn University Medical Waste Internal Manifest, also known as Form 701. This form can be downloaded at any time at aub.ie/Form 701. On this form, you'll list the generator, the number of containers, and a little more background information about your waste. Before signing, check the box for either human disease agent or non-human disease agent and read the additional disposal instructions carefully. Using your non-Sharps medical waste container is easy. First, turn your box over and seal the bottom flaps with 2-inch wide and clear packing tape. Follow the arrows on the side of the box to show you which end is the top and which is the bottom. Line your medical waste container with your red medical waste bag and overlap the bag along the outside of the container. Fill your bag about 75% full. Then get ready to close and secure the bag and container for pickup and disposal. While wearing gloves, gather and twist the ends of your medical waste bag. Make a loop with the twisted end and then seal tightly with tape. This is called a gooseneck. Goosenecking helps properly and securely seal your red medical waste bag. Knots like a bunny ear or half knot could cause the medical waste bag to leak if it is turned upside down, so they are not allowed or accepted. You're almost done. Now that your bag is goosenecked, just seal the box up by closing the flaps and then tape the top. Fill out and tape a copy of Form 701 to the top of the box for collection, and then contact Stephen Nolan at 334-703-3859 or email scn0005@auburn.edu to request pickup. Let's go step by step one more time. First, seal the bottom of your container. Then, line your container with your red medical waste bag. Fill your medical waste bag about 75% full, and then secure your bag with a gooseneck. Close your container and seal the top. Fill out Form 701, the Internal Waste Manifest, tape it to your container, and then call Stephen Nolan for pickup. It's that easy. Any questions? Just email aurms@auburn.edu. Thanks for watching.